In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PDF through DocuSign. To get started, open a DocuSign website in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one workspace or profile. Once you're signed in, look for the option that says Start or Send an Envelope. This is the area where DocuSign begins the process of preparing a document to send for signature. Next, select Upload. This will allow you to choose the file you want to send. Browse your computer and find the PDF you want to use. Once you locate it, select the PDF and upload it to DocuSign. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so give it a second to finish uploading completely before moving on. It's important not to rush this part, because the document needs to load properly before you can add recipients and fields. After the file has uploaded, enter the recipient's name and email address. Be careful here, since this determines who will receive the document. Double check the information for accuracy so the PDF goes to the right person without delays. When that's done, select Next to open the document editor. Inside the editor, you'll add the fields the recipient needs to complete. These may include a signature field, a date signed field, or a text field, depending on what the document requires. Drag and place each field in the appropriate location on the PDF. Try to align them neatly and place them exactly where the signer would expect to complete them. Clear placement helps avoid confusion and makes the signing experience smoother. Once all the fields are in place, review the document carefully. Verify that every required field has been added and that each one is positioned correctly. This final check is important because even a small mistake, like a misplaced signature box or a missing date field, can slow down the process and require the document to be sent again. When everything looks correct, select Send to send the PDF through DocuSign. After sending, verify that the document has been successfully sent. You should see a confirmation within DocuSign, and this lets you know the envelope is on its way to the recipient. That's all it takes to send a PDF through DocuSign. Thanks for watching.